Hello everyone, my name is David and I'm a solutions engineer here at Landing AI. Landing AI has a software development kit, or SDK, which is a collection of code libraries that includes several code samples in Python and JavaScript to cover a wide variety of computer vision use cases. In this video, I will show you how to access the SDK and use one of our sample codes to develop an application to detect suits in playing cards. To access the SDK repository, I'll go to github.com/landing-ai in my computer browser and click repositories. From here, I can choose the language I want to find sample scripts for. I want to use sample script in Python, so I'll select the Landing AI Python repository. On the right, I can click README to go to the README file and learn more about using these sample codes. This section has a table of examples to choose from. For example, I can create an application that detects suits in poker cards or determine whether a door is open or closed. I have a deck of cards handy, so I'll try the poker card example. To use this example, I need to have Jupyter Notebook installed or a compatible notebook tool, as well as Python installed. Furthermore, I need to have a webcam connected to my machine and a deck of cards. Since I already have fulfilled these requirements, I'll continue creating the application. At a high level, there are 6 steps to do this. Step 1. Clone the Webcam Collab Notebook repository. Step 2. Open the Jupyter Notebook example in the cloned repository. Step 3. Start running the application. Step 4. Take images from your webcam. Step 5. Run the model and see the model's predictions. And finally, step 6. See how many objects the model predicted. Okay, now that we know the steps to building the application, I'll walk through each step one by one. First, I need to clone this repository, which is this file. To clone this repository, I need to run a git clone command. This will create a local copy of the repository on my machine. Now that I've cloned it, I can move to step 2, which is to open the Jupyter Notebook example in the cloned repository. To do this, I'll go to the Webcam Collab Notebook directory within the cloned repository. Then open the Webcam Collab Notebook.ipynb file. Great. Now I'm on to step 3, running the application. This notebook contains a series of code cells that perform various tasks. I need to run each code cell one at a time. To do this, I can press Shift and Enter on my keyboard. Or I can click the Run button in the toolbar here. I'm going to continue running the code for these next code cells. The Acquire Image from Camera code cell allows me to take images with my webcam, which is step 4. When I run this code cell, the application turns on my webcam. And from here, I can snap on image of this card by holding the card up and pressing spacebar on my keyboard like this. And there we go. My webcam turns off after it has captured an image, and when I scroll down, I can see the image here. This code cell will initiate the model in Landing Lens to run inference on the image. And when I run visual results, the image displays with the predictions from the Landing Lens model. I can see that the model successfully predicted the spades here. Now when I run this code cell here, the application counts how many objects were detected that had a confidence threshold higher than 50%. This means that if the model is at least 50% sure that their prediction is a suit, then that prediction will be counted. And that's it. In this video, I showed you how to access Landing AI's SDK and successfully run a Landing Lens model and make predictions. I can move on and customize the code cells to create my own applications.